The simple answer for that pātai is marae. I had grown up within the kaupapa, and so it took me to leave Tūranga to really understand what disconnection was. And I pā mai te pauri ki roto i au. I taku hokitanga mai ki te kāinga, I dove right into being whatever it was my marae needed of me, my hapu, my people needed of me. A lot of my reanga struggle coming back in because they don't feel like they fit or they don't have anything to contribute. And so one of the points that I try to kind of hammer home with people that are in my reanga is that even if it's only the titau that you grab, that's enough. There's enough of a contribution to your marae. Probably the biggest example of that was I moved away for high school. I moved down to Te Manawatu and then down to Wellington. And like, I didn't have to worry about coming home, but our grandfather got sick and he passed away. And our marae, the marae that I'm currently speaking about, kicked in and took us in as a whānau. It's not our whakapapa that binds us to that marae, it's the love that we share for each other. And so when our marae grabbed us and took us in our moment of need, we never forgot and we always knew. And so when the marae needed us, we kicked instantaneously. And I'm happy and extremely proud of my whānau who have not allowed us to be disconnected. E hara ko koe anake, e hi koe ana I tēnei ara. Ka noho pūmau tātou ki a tātou.